Hello all. Very strategically and very seriously, we are coming up with General Studies Premium Test Series. The name is justiciable, calling it as premium. Why? Because meticulous care we are going to take, and daily answer writing practice is there, and overall 18 tests we are conducting. The total description about the GS Mains Test Series is explained in this video. Join me. Premium GS Test Series 2021 and 2022. In this, we have duration of 75 days, in which the start date is from Sunday and the end date is 31 December 2021. For 75 days, daily answer writing practice we are going to have. Overall weekly tests are 18. In this 18 weekly tests, we have 14 tests on GS 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2 tests on General Essay. 14 plus 2, 6 plus 2. 14 plus 2, 16 plus 2. One is English compulsory paper and another is regional language paper, one more. So overall it is 18 tests we are having in General Studies Premium Test Series. GS Mains Test Series focusing on 2021 aspirants and 2022 aspirants. Daily tests are there, 75. Every day 3 questions will be provided and you have to write the answers and you have to submit. By the end of the day, the daily answers will be evaluated. And for the weekly test, maximum we will take 4 days and minimum within 3 days we will be evaluating your weekly tests. Mini tests, part of weekly grand test, daily 3. Mini tests will be conducted on daily basis. Welcome to Vishnu IAS Academy. We are excited to announce the launch of our new courses. Contact us for registrations and counseling. Hard work never fails. Keep learning. Guidance on structuring and building answers. How to write a better answer. How to write a good answer. Introduction, body, conclusion, properly, personally will be explained in our GS Mains Test Series. Live plus recorded. Value added classes by the subject experts for all the discussion classes. All the discussion classes of the 18 question paper will be discussed by the subject experts, including English paper as well. And evaluation within 4 days, as I told you earlier. And special focus on mains 2021 aspirants who cleared prelims and who is going to attempt the mains. For them, special one-to-one care and guidance will be provided for those aspirants who are writing the mains 2021 in the month of Jan 2022. Free interview guidance. Yes, 100%. Obviously, we will be every year. We are providing free interview guidance, and to our students also, free interview guidance will be provided once the results of mains is out. Can call me or text, message me. All your doubts will be solved. I am at your service for my students at Vishnu IAS Academy. Limited and highly focused batch. We are not going to take unlimited students. Limited batch so that evaluation will be easy for our faculties. For counseling and for inquiries, you can call our number, dedicated number. We will be addressing your queries. On this note, thank you. All the best. Hope you all join us for writing better answers. All the best. Jai Hind.